Uh, Hello friend. Today I'll show you the step-by-step approach to transfer a Godaddy domain to AWS account. So first step, whenever you buy a Godaddy account, so I'll show you have one. There are a few domains are there. So I wanted this domain to be AWS account. So in this case, what you'll do. So first you have to go to the AWS account and search the route 53. So if you go here, um, AWS account, so go to route 53 and so it is the route 53 and you see there are this route 53 is there and there is a dashboard and here is a hosted zone and I have already three hosted zone. Now I want that hosted zone to be here. So what I'll do, so next step I have to go for a create hosted zone. So create hosted zone, you have to create a hosted zone and what you'll do, you have to add this domain. So add this domain means say for example this is I will do so this domain you have to add there. So I can take this domain lab dot info and you should select a public hosted zone and you can write some descriptions for testing uh, domain. So after that you will create hosted zone. So if you create a hosted zone then you will get the two records. So this is the two records. One is SOA record and one is NS record. This NS record should be pointed to GoDaddy. GoDaddy where? So you have to come here and you have to edit the DNS. You have to edit the DNS and you see there are some records are there. But I'll I'll change the you will come to name server. So this is the second step. Go to the GoDaddy domain management and select the domain portfolio and edit the DNS. So that step we are already done. After that, the edit DNS and the name server to be changed and pointed to AWS NS records. So here you have to go for the change and you see editor name server. So this name edit the name server. So uh, you have to add the four name server which is mentioned here. So this is the four one name server and come to here and you should avoid you should not copy the entire dot, remove dot from the last, then add name server. There's a two name server, there is three name server, control C and control V, here copy paste and four name server is this. So these four name server to be written there and you have to save this record. If you save this record then it will ask for the confirmation. In confirmation then it is up successfully update. So if you come here, so it will take some time to propagate here. So you see um, this is the it will take some time. So after that um, you have to create a CNAME with the same name. So this is the CNAME So uh, you have to add this CNAME record to make that is already it is coming here. Now third step, you have to create a certificate manager. Certificate manager means this is the third step, certificate manager, and you have to request a certificate. So how certificate manager is there? Certificate manager is, you can search by here or you can directly come here and search certificate manager. So you see this is the certificate manager. So you click this certificate manager. Okay, and you have to create a request a certificate manager. So in this case, request certificate. So you have a request certificate and request certificate and fully you have to add the fully qualified name. Okay, and you can add another dot of same name because of the subdomain or something, and simply create request. So if you create request, then you see it is successfully requested the C records, uh, the certificate, and it will take some time to pending. Before that, you have to do something. So add create a record to S3, so it will point it to that particular point. So uh, so this is the validation pending, and if you see it is already there. So this CNAME is already added here. Either you manually updated or you update it. So it is not coming. Okay, why it is not coming? Let me check. Create. Oh, sorry. You have to create a record. If you create record, then it will be successfully added to the DNS. So it will be coming here. So you have to wait for some time to get propagate to this, and after that, uh, for the next video, I'll show you um, how to connect the domain uh, from your EC2 instance. So this is the simple three steps technique to uh, to transfer your domain from Godaddy